Happy morning, children. How are you all? Hope so you're all fine and being safe at home. Stay home, stay safe. And see to that your learning process also should go on. Okay. How and today there is a great super excited session which is being lined up for you. Is there any guess what will be the next topic? Is there any guess what will be the next topic? Okay. Before going into the session, let me ask you some question. Do you have a pet cat in your home? Do you have a pet cat in your home? If you have a pet cat in your home, or have you seen a cat somewhere? Okay. If you have a pet cat or if you have seen a cat, what is the thing you love in cats? We call them as pussy cats, and they'll be fluffy. They'll be fluffy. We'll call them as pussy cats. And one more thing. Have you noticed anything mysterious in them? What is the meaning of the word mysterious, children? Mysterious, something, mystery, which is beyond our understanding. They'll have a mysterious look, which is beyond our understanding. The session which we are going to see today, it is a poem based on a cat. We have always seen a cat as a pet. And there are people who love cats. But today, this poem brings out the pet cat in a different perspective. The poet tries to bring the pet cat as a crime, as a person of crime, and as a person of mystery, as a person of committing many criminal things. It is something different, which is beyond our knowledge. Yes, no? Let us enter into today's session then. We are going to see poem 3. It is The Mystery Cat, Macavity, and you can see the image of the mystery cat Macavity, and this poem is written by T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot. T.S. Eliot is the one who wrote the poem Macavity. And you can see the image of a cat. How he is being presented here, how he is being portrayed here, with a hat, with a coat, and with a look like this. See, have you seen a cat standing like this? Do you have the habit of seeing do you have the habit of seeing this kids channels? Have you seen a cat dressed up like this? No, it never happens. So, the poet T.S. Eliot brings this cat, he portrays the cat as a crime partner over here. He is a person of crime. The cat is committing crime. How this can happen, children? Can a cat commit crime? We have to think. Come to the next slide now. See the look of the cat, the mysterious look of the cat, and see the cat to the left side. This is the picture you have to imagine as the mystery cat, the Macavity. Have you seen any movies based on this concept? Any movies which is based on the concept where an animal is portrayed as a criminal? Instead of a human being, an animal will play the role of a human being, or a human being, the actor, will dress himself like an animal and he will just play the role. In Tamil, we have a movie which the great actor Vikram has acted that movie, where he will disguise himself as a hen. Is there any guess, children? Yes, there is a movie named as Kandasamy. When he has to clear the problems of the people. He will dress himself as a hen, cock over there, cock, C-O-C-K, cock. If I am right, it is a cock over there. He dresses himself as a cock and he will play the role of the actor. The same point the poet T.S. Eliot tries to bring here. And do you know the poet T.S. Eliot? Have you heard about him? Let me give the full form of T.S. Eliot, the full name of T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot, he is a great poet, essayist, and he is also a playwright. He is a poet, essayist, a playwright, and he is a good literary critic. Okay, he is a good literary critic, and he is the one who wrote many poems to depict what is happening in the society. And this poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat, this poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot is the only work for the youngsters. And it is given for you. The only work for youngsters, and it is being prescribed for you. Whereas his other works, he has written poem of books. Okay, he has written poems, he has written books, whereas his other works are written for adults. Only this poem, it is written for youngsters and it is being prescribed for you. And when you think about this poet T.S. Eliot, I would like to add little more to him. T.S. Eliot is a good writer who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1948. It is not a simple thing, children, to win a Nobel Prize. He is being awarded as a Nobel laureate. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1948. And this will justify that he is a great writer. So you are going to read one such poem of T.S. Eliot. You are going to read one such poem of a great writer, T.S. Eliot. Let us get into the session now. Before seeing the explanation of the poem, let us read the poem. Come on, read with me. Sit with your textbook and read the poem. Let us start reading the first stanza. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Again, I'll read you the first stanza. Read with me and see to that whether you can get the explanation of first stanza. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. A beautiful description of a cat. And you can see a cat is being portrayed as a criminal over here. Who is being portrayed as a criminal? A cat is being portrayed as a criminal. Let us come to the first line. I'm going to explain you now. Macavity is a mystery cat and he is called the hidden paw. What is the meaning of the word hidden paw, children? Hidden paw, the things which he do is being hidden. People could not find out. And it is not shown. It is not known. It is not shown. It is not brought into the notice of public. Whatever he does it secretly. and things are like mystery. And he is called as a mystery cat because he is doing things which we could not imagine, things out of our minds, where it is beyond our thinking. When a cat does something which is beyond our thinking, we will really wonder. One such thing is done by a cat over here. Macavity, a mystery cat, he is called the hidden paw. Children, if you are going to listen to the poem carefully, you will understand it. If not, you will not understand the poem. And if you listen to the explanation of the poem, you will really enjoy the poem. The first line, Macavity, a mystery cat, he is called the hidden paw. The things which he does, it is beyond our thinking. And for he is the master criminal. Who is the master criminal? The Macavity, the mystery cat, is a master criminal who can defy the law. What is the meaning of the word defy? Underline the word defy and write it disobey. He never obeys law. You know what is called law? Law is framed for people. Yes, we have to follow it. It is framed by the constitution for the sake of people. But for he is the master criminal who can defy the law, who can defy the law, who can disobey the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. Beautiful lines, children. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Here, the word Scotland Yard refers to the police force of Scotland. The great police force of Scotland, they are confused. They could not find this Macavity. After the moment of crime, he is disappearing. People could not identify him. Even the police force, the Scotland Yard, could not identify him. The flying squad despair. He is the bafflement. The meaning of the word bafflement is he is the confusion. He is of major confusion. The Scotland Yard, the police force, the great police force is under confusion. They are baffled. Immediately after the crime, they could not see the Macavity. He is hidden. He escapes from that place. The flying squad's despair. Underline this word despair and write it sad. You know who is called flying squads? The squad, which is the group of police or the group of officers who is immediately ready to move somewhere else, wherever the crime is happening. Even the flying squad despair. They are sad. They could not identify Macavity. They could not find Macavity anywhere. This is what? For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Yes, when they come to know that a crime is happening in a place, and when they reach the scene of crime, who reached the scene of crime? The bafflement of Scotland Yard. Who reaches the scene of crime? The Scotland Yard, the Scotland police, the great police force and the flying squad. When they reach the scene of crime, who is not there? Macavity is not there. He is a hidden paw. He disappears. He vanishes. See, I could see, children, your eyes are glimmering in excitement. What is this beautiful poem? Yes, no, your eyes are just glimmering. And about the excitement. A cat, a mystery cat, and he is doing something, crime. Okay, hold on. We have completed the first stanza now. We are going to move into the Next stanza.